1993 Silverado. You'll have to excuse me, all the neighbors have their leaf blowers going this evening. Clean truck, one owner before me. All original paint, all original everything except for some upgraded parts such as brakes, shocks, belts, fluids. AC has been upgraded with the new Freon, etc. Does have a block heater installed. I'll try to get some of the roof or get one of my tall kids to come out here. I'm pretty vertically challenged. Hopefully you can see some of that. Still has the protective guard from the factory. Mud flaps put on at the dealer day of purchase. Excuse the blotches on the tires. I ran it through the car wash quick and put a little armor all on each side. Nice topper. Good springs, windows up top. I just sprayed this out. It was a little dusty so you could see it. There's some scratches in there. Nothing real deep, just obvious surface scratches, but obviously not bed lined. Hasn't been used real hard at all. The gentleman I bought it from was well retired. Little dinger there, little chipping as you can see. Shows really well for black paint, but still shows like back paint. You see every little everything, but pretty darn good for original paint. Clean exhaust. For crossbars to add a canoe if you want to put that on the top. Good screens on both sides. Double windows in the cab and on the topper, so you can let the dogs slobber all over the cab if you want. Pretty darn straight all around. Pretty clean glass. It is Montana glass, so it does have some chips and cracks, but they have been sealed. Should be good from repair. Pretty darn clean otherwise. Interior is just in phenomenal shape. Seats are just great. Super clean, smells clean. No smoking. The previous owner did have dogs. Disclaimer. 4x works great. 4 high and low I have tested. Work just fine. Radio does not work. I believe just the antenna's unplugged. You just get static. Tape deck works great. Little cassette adapter to plug the radio in if you want. Clean dash all the way across. No cracks, no chips, no sun damage. Cup holder still functions. Rear is just as clean. Carpet's just super clean. Seats are also super clean. Like I said, double glass for the cab and the topper. Again, you can see how clean that carpet is. Sticker residue here, not sure what that is. And very clean all around. Sitting right at 115, 114. The trip odometer does work but likes to move slow. Not sure if there's a repair for that. Between that and the radio, it's the only two things I can find that do not work. Everything else works. Cruise works. All signals work. Oh, pardon me. The park brake likes to hang, so you have to push that back in. This is a security pod device, Revelco. It is made to be pulled out if you're in a big city or somewhere, you're worried about your truck getting stolen, and it will deactivate the ignition. I have a sticker on the window here. Go ahead and start it for everybody. Installed in Houston, Texas. All signals work, lights work, heater works. Hear the AC kick on there. Good lights work. Brand new Napa battery, new serpentine belts. Does have a K&N filter. I do have the recharger kit and a dry filter to swap out. Very quiet running pickup. No ticking, no knocking. AC compressor kicking on and off. Fluids have all been changed. All factory original exhaust. Any questions, concerns, comments, leave them. Thanks for watching.